What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. If you do not know me, hello and welcome. So today is Easter. Happy Easter to all of you. I hope that you're having a fantastic Easter. Sitting in my house doing absolutely nothing. No, but I am gonna cook a delicious meal and just hang out with the family, which is actually does sound very nice. When I sat down in front of the camera, I was like, all right, I'm gonna do like a very colorful, you know, when I think of Easter, I think of like bright colors. I think of yellows and pinks and blues and all that. And then I opened up my G.R.W.M palette and I seen this color and I was like, nope, I haven't used that yet, and it's such a pretty color. And so I just created the look with that shade, pretty much just that one shade. But no, I think it came out great, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
And without further ado, let's hop right into the video.
Happy Easter. I hope all of you are having a great Easter. I know it's unfortunate we can't really do much, but hopefully, you know, cook a nice meal and hang out with the family, and, you know, maybe Zoom with a few people. That Zoom app is crazy. So, you know, Zoom with your family or Skype with your family, and hopefully it all works out. But today we're going to be doing a fun, colorful eye look. So let's just jump right in. No chit chat today. Alright, so I'm going to be using for a base for my eyes today, I'm going to be switching it up, and I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup, the eyeshadow base, and it is in the shade White. If it helps the colors, like, you know, be more vibrant. Whoa, that is white. Holy white. Now that my eyes are primed, I am going to take a packer brush like this one, just a small flat, not like flat, but flat, kind of fluffy, if that makes sense, brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade here, this purple shade called Therapy Sesh in the G.R.W.M Volume 2 palette. I'm just going to pack it all over my lid. Pack it, pack it, pack it. No blending, just literally dotting it on. And then when I got up here to the crease, then I'm going to take a fluffier blending brush. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this shade here called Tipsy Girl. It's like a hot pink. And I'm just going to run that right over my, like on my brow bone. Right under the brow bone, I'm going to take this shade Certified. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Superhero Eyeliner, and this is just a mini size. I'm going to do a wing. Okay, wings done. I'm going to do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so wings are done, and let me tell you, that took a lot out of me. I'm beat. So now I'm going to go in with my Man Eater mascara. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the face makeup. So like always, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. gonna go in with my, of course, my Born This Way foundation. Concealer, just to lighten up the under eye a tiny bit, because my Born This Way is like it's, you know, it's not much lighter. It's kind of like almost the same color as my foundation, just a like tad bit lighter. So hopefully that will just lighten it up a little bit. I am going to also use the lighter one for my nose. Chin. For powder, I will be going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I just got this and I have not used it yet, so this will be my first time, so I'm excited to see how it works.
Pretty good. Okay.
And just blend out the nose contour. Just bought this brush. It's by Essence, and it's a bronzer brush. I usually use this one, and this one's a little bit more like, so I don't know, a different shape. It's like more rounded and like a little more narrow, so I want to definitely try this out. And I'm going to be using my Maybelline City Bronzer. Highlighter, I just recently picked up a new highlighter, and this is Ofra, and it is in the shade Pillow Talk, and I've heard such good things about Ofra's highlighters, so I'm excited to see how it looks.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god. I love a highlighter. Oh my god, this is like no joke. Just cover my soul. Just cover my soul in it.
Okay, and then I also got a new blush palette, and it is by LA Girl, and it's Island Hottie Blush Palette. I know I haven't taken that out yet. What I am doing is I'm mixing a little bit of this shade on the end and this middle one here. Pop that into the inner corner. Flat brush like this, and I'm going to go in, I'm going to mix the shades Stay True and Temptress, which is a maroony color and a black.
Little bit of setting spray.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a fantastic Easter, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!